Hi, I'm Johan Bezuidenhout,
My name is Chantel Ange.
and we are focus improvement engineers for Pragma, and we're working on a Shell project doing asset management over 420 sites throughout South Africa.
We're responsible for looking for ways to make the site better, so reducing resources, making things cheaper and more efficient.
So my favorite project was redesigning the customer service unit. It was identified because the units didn't last. They're super expensive to replace, and they are supplied being for non-attendant markets. Okay, so they are supplied with a glove dispenser, which we don't use at all. Okay, so we redesigned it using rotor mold process compared to stainless steel manufacturing, and that extended the life of the units quite a lot, also reducing the cost by more than half.
An exciting project that we're working on at the moment is called Green Sites. It's all about reducing the carbon emissions that are produced on site. So we're looking into a few concepts, some of them being rainwater harvesting on site, using LED lights and also solar panels. Another concept to look at is what happens to all the materials that are thrown away on site, so we would like to recycle those. And also inside the shops we can use recycled materials when we're building the shops and replacing things in the shops. We apply the DMAC methodology to our projects. It's a 5-step process, and it stands for define, measure, analyze, improve and control. So we go through all the phases of the methodology to ensure that we solve the correct problem and solve it accurately.
And we use this methodology to make sure that we don't jump to any conclusions, and that we go through all the data that we have available. These are just 2 examples of projects that we've been doing. Okay, if you want to see more, there's plenty more. Come join the SAAMA presentation.
We'll be on the 4th of June at the Lord Charles Hotel in Somerset West.